Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your microphone which is not working in your Google Chrome and how to enable it. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your Google Chrome. Just simply tap it to continue. Okay? So once you have successfully bring up your Google Chrome, go for the left side of your screen. It has this three dots. Click on that to customize and control Google Chrome. And then scroll down and look for settings which has this gear icon. Click on it to continue. Okay. So the moment you have successfully opened your settings, proceed to the left side of it. It has this list of options. Now here you need to look for privacy and security, which I can see here next to autofill and passwords. Click on it. And under the privacy and security tab, you can see safety check and privacy and security. Here you need to proceed to site settings. Click on it. The moment you have clicked it, you will be able to see the permissions, and here you need to look for microphone. So I can see here microphone, which is in the third rank under the permissions next to camera. Click on it, and here under the default behavior, make sure that sites can ask to use your camera is on. Okay? So make sure that this is on, okay? And here you need to select the correct microphone that you're using. So in my case, I'm using this microphone DGM20 USB microphone. Okay, set that as default. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.